Morning everyone, it's Lynette with Charmed Grammy Crochet, and this is good coffee. I want to welcome you to the dining room. Excuse me. Today is the day I go to the doctor and hopefully get a cast that only goes to maybe here, so that I can crochet. Cross your fingers for that. It is still October, so it is still Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Let's not forget to get our mammograms. I know I postponed getting mine because of the wrist. I know I don't need a working wrist to get a mammogram, but my husband didn't want me driving. He was afraid that I wouldn't be able to buckle my seatbelt. I can't in the passenger. Just on a side note, when I'm in the passenger seat, the pressure to push the seatbelt buckle in hurts. I can't do that with my left hand, and so it's difficult with my right hand to get around my big belly. So but to do it on the right side I can, like if I'm driving, and my son borrowed my car, so I don't have a car. He's like, Mom, you can't drive it anyway, and they only have one car. But I will go. I will go this month. So, if you haven't gone, just a reminder, it is still Pink Hat Month. I know it's supposed to be ribbons, but we're doing hats because we're the crochet community and we do what we want. And I am here to show you that I got some happy mail. I did crack the package open, because I didn't know how difficult that would be with one hand. Sometimes, these envelopes and boxes can be difficult. So this is from my good friend Nancy from She's Got Yarn Too, and I'm so excited. I know what it is, so let's show you. First of all, this is a pair of stockings, very high socks. See, like go up to your thigh kind of sock. And this is, I love it already. A jammy dress. Isn't this the coolest? Can you see it all? So I might wear this to the doctor today. Seriously, I don't know what to wear to the doctor today because I'm getting an x-ray on my knee, and she's going to do something with my wrist, so I kind of need like short sleeve. And if it was summertime, I'd have no problem wearing shorts, but it's cold out there today. I don't know that. And I didn't shave my legs because, let's face it, who's shaving their legs? I can barely, I mean, I could shave one. I don't know if I can shave the other one very well. I probably could. Who am I kidding? But anyway, I got this. Isn't it wonderful? I can't wait to put it on. And the socks. So this is what it looks like as a set. So cute, right? I love it. And then she got me... It says, okay, you see, there it is. Momster. I'm going to wear this when I go trick-or-treating with my grandkids. I don't know what day they're trick-or-treating, but I will go and walk with them on their street, and I'm going to wear this. Isn't that cool? So thank you so very much, Nancy. I totally love both of these. These are so awesome. Maybe I'll wear this to the doctor today. I just don't know what to wear on my bottom half. Did she get a card? Oh, no, no card. That's okay. She told me it was coming. And I love it. I love this material too. It's like soft and silky feeling. So when I have that on, I will show you. And I wanted to tell you, I know I'm not supposed to be doing this because I don't have any, income right now. But somebody, when we were live yesterday, and thank you all who participated in the live at Billy's channel, Billy the Crafty Floridian. We did the live with Nancy, and she was opening the boxes of Boggy Creek blankets. We 24. I don't remember the exact number, but I think we had 24. Now we have almost 60 with the blankets that Nancy, myself, which include ones from my daughter, and Billy made. I think it's close to 70 blankets. So that's fabulous. You guys are just so fabulous. And so many people are like, oh, I'm working on my third one. They're going to send them all at one time. And it's just amazing. You guys are just totally amazing. So where was I going with that? Oh, yeah. During that live, one of our lovely subscribers, Yarny Friends, said what a great deal they got at Premiere. $150 worth of yarn for like $82. So I was clearing out my emails and I wasn't gonna look, but I got this email that said they had the bobbins for $2.99. Now, I've not ever bought the bobbins because I always thought it was way too much money for the amount of yarn that they were selling in the bobbin. Plus, they're big and bulky and like probably not easy to, I mean, you could stack them, but probably in general not very easy to store because they're going to take up a lot of space for, I think there's almost 550 yards, but it's going to be a lot of space to, store that big round bobbin. But for 550 yards for $3 of anti-pilling yarn, that's a good price. So I'm like, okay, just let me look. I thought, well, for 1,000 yards, you could make a Boggy Creek blanket, right? If you buy 2 per color. And there's a group of us doing Sophie's Choice, or Sophie's Universe, or Sophie's something, starting the beginning of the year. We're going to do a crochet along in the Zoom group. And anybody can participate, I'm sure. Don't get me wrong there. But I thought, oh, look at all the colors if I wanted to do that. But then, seriously, I have all the colors. I mean, I have a lot of colors. I do have a lot of just solid yarns. But I've never bought the bobbins. And for $3 for 550 yards, that's a good deal. I mean, it's an all right price. So I kind of sleep shopped. But I wanted to tell you, go there because, and so I bought that. And then I went through their clearance because they had a little pop-up, check out the clearance. And I bought some clearance yarns. They had some cotton. I think it's 100% cotton hanks for $3. They only had it in 2 colors, a brown color and a red. But I thought I'm going to throw those on the knitting machine. I think they were a 3-weight cotton. And I thought I'm going to throw those on the knitting machine and make hats for Roy out of those 2 colors. I bought 2 of each of them. But I think they would be great on the knitting machine. That weight yarn and, the one is like a marley looking kind of brown. And anyway, so you'll see it when it comes. It probably take 3 weeks to get here. Usually when I order from Premiere, their shipping is not all that fast. Or maybe it's Lion Brand. I don't know. One of them, whenever they have a good sale, it takes 3 weeks to get their yarn. So I'm not like, it'll be fun when it gets here. I'll forget what's in there. And then I think I bought some baby yarn that I thought would be nice if I paired it up with a 4-way and made some blankets. Could be good. I bought blue. I remember for sure I bought blue for Boggy Creek. So anyway, I ordered the original price was 170 with tax, 177, I think, with tax. Anyway, I paid $88. So but at first it wasn't giving me the sale price. I'm like, wait a minute, what's going on here? It was charging me, it wanted to charge me the whole 177 or whatever. And so I went back. It was telling me $82. You know, it showed the 177 or whatever, and then it crossed that out, 166, and it crossed that out and put down 82. And then when I went to checkout with the tax and everything, it's 177 and wants to charge my card. And I'm like, what's wrong? And I go back and click this button or something. I had the 82 sale price was in red. And there was something about, I want to use a coupon, click that box, and I still was coming up with the 180 with the higher price. Then I clicked on the red numbers that were the $82, and it came out, and that worked. So I don't think I had the coupon box checked. I clicked on, just for your information, pretty sure that I clicked on the red 82, which was the adjusted total. When I clicked on that, it went through and then added the tax. And because it was over $75, it was free shipping. So I got the $166 worth of yarn for $88, including taxes and no shipping. But it didn't work until I clicked on the sale price, the red sale price total. I don't know why that was the case, but I'm like, what is going on here? I had to do it like 3 times before it gave me the sale price. I go back and try again, go back and try again. And that was good. I mean, I'm not buying it for the regular price. Forget that. I'm not spending $177. But I'll spend $80 for $170 worth of yarn. Don't tell Roy. Hopefully it'll come in when he's at work and I can do a video, show it all to you, and I don't know where I'm going to hide those bobbins. But I bought several different colors, 2 each on the bobbins. And one other thing I wanted to say really quick, if you guys didn't see, Kayla is out of the hospital. She's home. She's put up a video, her and Big Daddy. So go check that out. I will link it in the description box below. That woman is just amazing. She's just amazing. And Kayla, if you're watching this, I love you, honey, and I'm glad you're home. Excuse me. I'm sorry the surgery didn't go as well as you wanted, but you know, it is what it is. You'll be crocheting in no time. You'll figure it out. Just like you figured it out before, you'll figure it out again. And we're there for you. Just know that. Things will be frustrating, you know. You talked about that in your video today that I watched today. It'll get, but you'll figure it out. You'll do it. You're a survivor. And you are my inspiration. So, you guys check out Kayla. Show her some love. And like I said, I will link that specific video in the description box below. That's all I have for you today, ladies and gentlemen. Cross your fingers that I get a more easily crochetable cast today. Or maybe she'll just give me like an air thing or something. I don't know. I think it still needs to be immobilized. It's not even been a week. It still gets sore. So I'm sure it still needs immobilization. They said 6 or 8 weeks, so how much am I going to rush this, right? Okay, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.